Hey guys, what's going on and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be replacing my factory BMW Z3 headlights with some nice LED ones from Woxma. We're going to go ahead and give this product a shot and I'm going to tell you my impressions of it. We'll get some footage of it at night and we'll see the overall ease of install, use and everything. Let's go ahead, get this project started. So as you guys can see here, these are my factory headlights on the Z3 and it has this ugly yellow color and I don't know what happened there. Maybe the bulb exploded at some point or something, but I'm going to go ahead and replace them for some nice new LED ones. Let's go ahead, see what's inside this box, take these off and put these in. Inside this box you have two bulbs and they have this metal housing to them. Can't really tell what type of metal this is, but it's definitely a metal of some sort. And in the rear you have the fan right there, which all LEDs will either have a fan, they'll have a heat sink, or they'll have these shoelace looking things which are the same thing as heat sinks. And then here you have the bulb on one side and then the bulb on the other side. It feels like it's a pretty good sized product, feels pretty good in the hand, and we'll have to see what it looks like at night. Now inside the box, besides the light bulb, you do have a driver. For all LEDs, you will need a driver for them to work. You can't just simply plug that into the socket because it's not that simple. You have to plug that into this, and then this goes to where your plug is on the car. And as you guys can see here, they got plus minus on this side, and then on the other side, it's the opposite. So if the light doesn't turn on, you just have to rotate this another way because this is not polarity specific. Let's go ahead, open up this hood and get this installed. It should be really quick and easy install. There is something really important I do have to say. Whenever you're installing LED bulbs into a car, you have to make sure that they are gonna fit. Let me just show you what I mean by that. If you look back here where that bulb is right down there, there is an extra 1.5 inch space in the back just for that fan. You need to make sure that your housing has an 1.5 inch extra space in the rear to fit these bulbs. That's really important because versus the factory bulbs that come straight and abruptly like that, they extend out an 1.5 inch. And there you go guys, look at how much more brighter that LED bulb is in there versus the factory old yellow halogen. It's really incredible how bright that bulb is. It's ridiculous actually. Now there's something really important I have to say about LED bulbs and headlight housings. You do not want to put an LED bulb inside a projector housing, mainly because the technology is not up to date. It's not ready for projectors. Projectors need that standard bulb, that way that they can bounce the light around and they can get the best focal point. HIDs are the way to go if you have a projector. Now if you have old school halogen lights like this, LEDs will work beautifully, as you guys can see, and we will see the performance at night. Now there's also something really important that I must say. If you have a German vehicle like this, or you have a vehicle that has headlight bulb detection, which means that it will tell you when the bulb is dead, then you are going to want to invest in a CAN bus system. The CAN bus system will prevent that code from happening. In this particular car, the Z3, there's no need for that because they didn't invent the CAN bus system yet when this vehicle was made. Let me just go ahead and change out the one on the passenger side and take this thing out for a nighttime ride. As you guys can see here, it is a vibrant white color that scatters pretty evenly, except my only gripe about the product is it doesn't fire long enough. And those of you that have seen my Morimoto install can tell the difference of the distance of the firing. As you guys just saw there, I fired my high beams and the focal point on the high beams was further down. So that's the only thing that I wish maybe it had a little bit more intensity to push the bulb out there. So let's go ahead and start ranking this product. In terms of style, I'm going to go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10, since it will completely change the look of your lights. In terms of durability, I don't see any future problems with this product, but the metal housing that it was made of makes me question a few things. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a 6 out of 10.
In terms of features, this product comes with some interesting features. You guys can buy a bulb from them that has the high beam and low beam built into it. So those are those cars that need that dual beam. They do have that available for you. So I'm going to go ahead and give them an 8 out of 10 in that area. Now, in terms of user-friendly, is this user-friendly to install? Yes, you don't need a PhD, and as long as you guys can unscrew a bulb or take a bulb out of a headlight, you guys can easily change and upgrade your lights to these bright LED lights. So I'm going to go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10 in that area as well. Now for $29 and have a 2-year warranty on these bulbs, that is actually pretty dang impressive. Even if these bulbs have to be replaced in a year and the manufacturer stands behind it, that's awesome. Hopefully that's the case. And that brings the final score to 38 points.
Alright guys, that is my official score for the Woxma LED headlights. I personally think for the price point, they're a great buy. And they're really bright. Now those of you guys that have been subscribers to the channel know very well that I am a huge fan of Morimoto, and almost all the lights on my car are Morimoto HIDs and Morimoto LEDs. So we're going to go ahead and fire on my 35 watt Morimoto HID lights right now, and you guys can see them side by side just to see how bright those LED lights are. And there you have it guys. Those are the 35 watt Morimoto HID lights fired up. Right now they're all the way heated up. And then those are the Woxma LED lights. Something really discernible is those are insanely bright up close. And the beam shoots to about 20, maybe 25 feet. Whereas the Morimoto HID lights are shooting off way past those palms over there. So huge distance difference. The intensity, definitely those are more intense up close. Those are more intense right here that I can't even look at the car. That's that bright. But those are more intense and those perform better in the long distance. So that's the complete side-by-side difference in between the two products. Keep in mind there's a huge price difference between Morimoto and Woxma, and that's why I say for that price that you guys are paying for those Woxma lights, that's a steal to get that bright color, and it gives a nice clean white light. That is going to be my review of this product. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, definitely subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. I'm going to continue modifying the C300. And in regards to the Z3, I really don't know what more I can do on there. I know a lot of people keep telling me to throw a turbocharger on there, and I'm thinking about it. No promises, but we're thinking about maybe doing something special with that car. In the meantime, take care, guys.